Yo, Wale here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Sony 20mm FE this time lens, 1.8 aperture, G lens. Giving you my first impressions of the lens and the build quality. So here we go. And what comes in the box? Oh, nice, comes in a plastic bag. Last lens came in a plastic bag. Oh, I think it's much smaller. I don't know why I was expecting something big. That's your lens hood. That's your solid case. I like this pouch already. Nice. Always nice to have a pouch. And you have your documentation paperwork. I don't know who reads that, but I certainly do not. Okay, have your bubble wrap, and here we go. Actually, this feels really good. It's smaller than I was expecting. Let me put it like that. So this is the focus ring. Flows well. And so the good thing with this is you have a button here for the clicker. So you can turn the clicker on and off for the aperture. So now it's declicked. And you can turn it on. To the mic say here. Look at that. That is great. Yeah, this actually feels really good. There's a button here for auto focus or manual focus switch, and this should be a customizable button. So next thing we're going to do is put this lens on that camera and try and get some shots. Yeah, see if I can shoot some nice wide landscapes now that I have a true 20mm, which would make this the widest lens in my arsenal. Yeah, I'm excited about that. I really am. Okay. Thanks. This was the unboxing video plus my first impressions. Alright, I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.